To celebrate Pancake Day, I'm going to be testing Gordon Ramsay's famous pancake recipe that he showed his Instagram followers. And here is the ingredients: 100 grams of flour, 300 milliliters of milk, and 2 whole eggs. Gordon then said to add all the ingredients together and then whisk until it's smooth, except this is quite a small whisk, this might take a while.
That was stupidity.
Once everything is whisked together nicely, let it rest for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, now for the hard part. Can I actually cook the pancakes? First of all, let's add some oil. Let's get that pan nice and smooth. And now let's add our mixture. Lovely. Shaking it around. There we go. Let's let that sit. This might actually be the first time where pancakes actually go well for me on Pancake Day. And it looks like it's coming along nicely. Look at that. And now what you've all been waiting for, the pancake flip. Oh!
Oh, it's sort of tray sexy.
Take a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That is what you call a Gordon Ramsay pancake. And here we have our own Gordon Ramsay pancake. We've got some lemon and sugar on it. Let's give it a try. Now that is a great pancake. Oh my God, I did that.
What an exciting day.